Whoop.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh!
You're out of your mind, Jamie.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
That's right. And now here comes Greg home from work on a hot day. Hot enough for you, Greg? What's the temperature say? Oh heck, it's a cold snap. On the news they gave a heat advisory. They said not to do anything, so I didn't.
Did they say just lay around like a slug?
That's what they said.
Lie around like
They said it's a good day to just lie around like a slug and eat watermelon, drink beer if you have one.
Did you have a beer?
No, I had a lot of watermelon though. Take a picture. That's what they said to do on the news. Well, I turned on the hose for the kids. I'd open a watermelon.
Say something! Kiss the camera!
I have stuff for dinner, but I don't know what. They said not to do anything, so
Hey, camera, watch this! Wow! Ta-da! Ta-da! We interrupt this program to bring you a special news bulletin. There has been another sighting of a 5.5-foot tall bat in Gotham City. Storekeepers, lock up your doors. Now to your reporter, Vicki Bale and Ashley Gould. I verify that Batman and Robin do exist in our fighting crime. There are 4 major crooks on the loose. They are the Penguin and his hoodlums, the Riddler and his crooks, Catwoman and his companions, and the Joker and his gang. His next caper is to kill the mayor. I have been unable to contact or locate Batman and Robin's secret hideout. This is Vicki Bale and Ashley Wilkes signing off. Boy, it only get a load of me.
just it was that mobile.
some socks on. It's much slippier. Carla, be careful! It's sliding! Oh. It's sliding! Everybody get up! We have to put it back up now. It's sliding! I didn't do it!
What do you do with an old mattress? We live out in the country. We can do anything we want.
It's sliding!
Just gonna leave it here.
Guys, we need to move it up!
There's the swing set. Work out after a while. Working out this great.
Oh my God! Kids, go down! Go down! Go down! Get off the mattress! Get off the mattress! Kids 10 and under, get down!
Guys, you'll have to pull it back up. Watch it, Blue will jump on it. Jam it in the sides. Blue eye down, 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 Blue, Blue down, down. Good dog. Good.
Carla, down! It's a dead mouse! So down! Dead mouse! Mom, it has cookie cutters. It has cookie cutters. And it has one pouch of icing, 2 pouches of mix, 2 cookie cutters, plus candy decorations. So we can make a gingerbread house of people.
can. Yeah.
My dad gingerbread house.
Okay, see that? Get that light up ball. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Mom.
Jamie, look at Smokey. He spied himself in the mirror. He's growling. Look at now. There's Spot. Oh no. Where is it, Spot?
Oh.
I can't believe it. Smokey has spied himself in the mirror.
This is gonna be so fun.
Get it, Spot.
Is this from you or Santa Claus?
What wrapping paper was it in?
I can't remember.
It's for me. No, Santa Claus. That's right. He has a foreign language on it. No, me and Daddy did.
I'm gonna have a lot of things to do before they come. They noticed the mirror, hon. Oh dear, that's just terrible. You've actually... Oh, Spot, Blue, Spot. What is it?
Give
Can I get
Smokey
this?
some of your makeup.
Spot what? Mom, it's Spot and Blue.
It's my little angel. Look at you. What a sweet little thing. She's never bad or mouthy all year. She's an angel. A pure angel. A little golden halo. A little harp. A beautiful smile in an angel gown. What an angel. Smokey, leave it alone. That cat's gonna jump out and bite you. Leave it alone, Smokey.
Spot.
Yeah, maybe you should put all that stuff in a canister, kids. Why don't we get a canister for all the candy so the dogs don't get it?
I'm just worried about all the presents.
What else is he eating up? Just his pizza?
Cats.
How nice. He brought- Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Another present. Blue. What is it? What is it? Prevents the gas from being. I thought it said Spot and Blue. Did it say Spot and Blue? Mom,
Look at Blue.
did it say Spot and Blue?
Yeah, and Greg. Okay.
You have it up again. I didn't know. I
You
just
do it.
read Spot Blue.
Okay.
Because I'm not good. Lights out.
Get it. Sing, Spot, sing.
Are you taking pictures of this?
Bark.
These two dogs.
Thank you, Spot. I appreciate it. Spot and Blue.
come down. January 25th, 29th. What is it? It's Friday anyways, 1994. I hope we have some lilacs left at the end of the big storm. In the wet during one ice storm, the spruce tree was holding 5.5 tons of ice. That crack is the sound of a tree coming down. I hope our tree is all right. Home from school and Greg is home from work. Now I'm going to show a picture of the world's ugliest dog.
How'd I come back?
The dog runs away from himself.
Jamie, don't leave.
We're showing the world's ugliest dog.
Hold on. James. Jamie. Pocket, don't fuck. Oh, no.
And when I went a mirror to get
Those stories, and you'll never guess who will be at the Super Bowl. It's all next Sunday,
Gosh.
1:16.
No! No!
More ice storm. There goes the world. He took the bone. Get that bone back in here. James, where were you?
outside,
And what were you doing?
trying to make it glue.
And did you get wet, James?
Yes.
Jamie's taking his sock off.
Here, can you help?
How come the Zoom doesn't work on this?
What?
The Zoom isn't working on this.
Can I look at it?
No, it's working. Huh? Oh, now it's in focus. That's what you look like.
Is it?
It's pure vanilla extract, but you're never allowed to use it on your own. Not until you grow up.
Really good.
So how are you going to feel when you're going to school in the middle of July, Jocelyn? You're so weird.
What?
Jocelyn's such a lady and you're so weird. Is this an auto? It's terrible.
Want to come up and tape it?
No, I'm not going to tape it.
Can I
That's
look at it?
disgusting. Okay, Jamie, tell me about your Legos.
Okay, each of the Lego people in this family of 4 has a little way of getting around. Here's a speedy mobile,
Uh-huh.
and James rides this.
We get far enough away so it's in focus. Okay, go ahead.
This is the walking chair.
Uh-huh.
Even though it goes on wheels,
Well.
they think it walks. And Jocelyn rides this.
Mhm.
Here's a regular motorcycle, as you know, and Greg rides this.
Mhm.
And here's a snowmobile, and Mom
I like that. I
Mom
need
rides-
one of those.
rides this.
Let's see that Super Bowl mobile.
This is a camper. And let me go get some more Legos. Things that I made. And this is what pulls the camper.
Mm-hmm.
You hook it together like this.
Uh-huh.
And here's where they watch the Super Bowl. Okay. Here's the oven. What are you doing?
Okay, where's the oven?
Here's the oven. They like camping out
Mhm.
and eating marshmallows. They cook like pot roasts there.
Mm-hmm.
They have 2 bedrooms, downstairs and upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
And here are easy chairs, and here's the television.
I ate too much fudge. I feel sick.
And here's a Target mobile.
Mm-hmm.
And it has 10 mango juice boxes and it can go 1 mile per second.
It's a mile a minute.
What?
1 mile per second?
Yeah.
60 miles per minute. 360 miles per hour. It's very fast. No, 3,600 miles per hour. It says REC on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's recording. Hi, James.
Hi, Mom.
Just hold on to that thing. This is a rare movie of Mommy because for a change, I'm not taking the picture. Jamie's taking the picture. We made fudge this morning out of nuts that were left over at Christmas time. And it tastes good.
You're looking up at the ceiling.
Am I?
Yeah. Talk.
What would you like to know, Jamie?
How fast is the speed of light?
186,000 miles per second square.
How many miles per minute?
Per minute?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not that quick.
Okay, now you can show me.
Let me do Jocelyn.
Ta-da!
It's Little Miss Wood Nymph.
My new dance. Wait, Jamie. Tape us dancing. Where's the Wayne's World tape?
Those chainsaws that shoots little spikes.
Uh-huh.
That's it. Bye.
Look a live spot. Good dog.
Tell me when you're ready. Okay, I'm turning it on.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Is it on?
Yep. If it'll show up. I don't know, maybe the light's too low. This is sledding after the ice storm. We have about 2 inches of crust on top of probably, where's Jocelyn now? Probably 2 feet of snow. Jocelyn! Get her, Blue. Feet first. Go. Get her, Blue. Where is she?
Mom, watch me.
James. Let's see you slide down on your feet, James. Go!